Hey guys, this is Doc Neo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another unboxing and syempre happy na naman ako dahil tech unboxing today. We will be opening this Anker Soundcore. Ang model niya is Sleep 820 Bluetooth earbuds. So ano ang background nito guys? For people like me na very difficult or mahirap makatulog, ayan. Di ba, syempre may mga sleeping aids, sleeping music tayong pinapakinggan. And for me kasi, very effective siya whenever I use my AirPods. The problem is, kapag natutulog ka, tapos nakahiga ka sa AirPods, you can't sleep at your side kasi masakit siya. And or lagi siyang natatanggal, and or masakit talaga sa tenga. So minsan pagkagising ko, hinahanap ko nawawala siya kasi nga madaling matanggal. And basically, yun yung reason kaya I decided to get this. This is specifically earbuds or earphones dedicated to help me or everyone to sleep better. So, ayan, i-unbox lang natin guys. Focus ba? Ayan, so this is the Soundcore 820 kasi Sleep 820 second ano na to, kumbaga iteration. So, ayan, ano bang mga nakalagay? Yan, naka-describe lang kung paano siya isuot. Ano bang mga nakasulat? Designed for sleep, fusion comfort, 14 hours playtime daw, and 80 hours pa with the additional yung charge nung kanyang case. Ayan, so meron siyang flexible air wing design, adaptive curve shape, soft twin seal ear tips, tapos meron siyang different sizes. Yan. Ano yung main features na nakasunod dito? Noise blocking design with sound masking. So, ibig sabihin nun guys, kapag yung sound is maingay, parang ano nga ba? crickets. Kasi technically, hindi siya active noise cancelling. So, we have to get that out of the way. Hindi siya active noise cancelling. Pero, kapag if you use it in tandem with your phone, tapos na-detect ng phone na maingay yung environment, parang ini-increase niya yung volume, something like that. There's gentle material for night-long comfort, which is very important. Peacefully stream content via Bluetooth. So guys, meron siyang app na built-in yung mga kumbaga white noise, if that's your thing. But you can also use this as a generic or general earbuds na na earphones, parang ganyan. Sleep monitoring and personal alarm clock. So, and guys, meron din siya mga, nadidetect din niya yung mga some of the sleep metrics na I will not go into, but definitely you need the app for that. So, this is just an unboxing. Okay. Buksan natin. So, meron siyang adhesive like so. Okay. So, Anker guys is a name na known for mga chargers at saka mga battery packs. Pero yan, meron din silang earphones. So, ayan, may simple guide, wearing guide. Tapos, ano pa nasa laman ng loob? This is the actual, ayun, cute niya. Earphones. Tapos sa loob, is this Korean or Japanese? Ayan. Mga guides. Tapos here. Ayan. So, nandito yung meron siyang 2 extra wings and then 1, 2, 3. 3 sizes. Ayan. So, there are 2 options. May sealed ear tip. This is for noise blocking. Pero if you find it na umiinit, ayun, pwede mong gamitin itong breathable ear tips. Ayan, especially kung siguro walang aircon. Pero, feeling ko itong sealed ear tips yung gagamitin ko. Meron bang, meron pa din siyang, ano guys, cable, charging cable, but this one is the simple USB-A to USB-C. I would appreciate it kung USB-C to USB-C na lang. Anyway, this is it. Oh, it's very nice. It has its logo ng Soundcore. Para siyang musical note. It's lightweight, matte yung ano, meron siyang light indicator. Ito yung pairing button niya, tsaka yung USB-C port. Tapos you can flick it like this. Ayan siya guys. So meron na siyang kasama na wings and tips. Kung hindi comfortable, ayun, saka mo lang papalitan. Ayun, so tinanggal ko na yung ano, guard ng kanyang connector. So ganito yung itsura niya. Nakalagay ba kung right or left? Yan. Ito raw yung right. May indicator ba na siya yung right? Subukan lang natin. Try ko guys ha. Okay. Sana yun? So pag ganito siya. Okay, I can't hear myself kasi na-block na talaga. I mean, ayan. Ang galing ha. Ang ganda ng seal niya. Feeling ko hindi na ako magbabago. Okay na tong size na to. And then, it's flash guys. So, pag natutulog ka, ayun. So, tanggalin ko muna. Nasaan ang kanyang button? Meron ba siyang controls? I don't think it has any controls on itself. So, kailangan mo talaga yung app. So, ganyan, i-try ko munang i-install yung app and try ko munang i-pair and then I'll be back in a few minutes. So, ayun guys, upon installation and opening the app, automatically, meron siyang firmware update na ginawa ko na agad. And then, ito nga pala yung app niya guys. So, apparently, meron siyang 2 modes. Yung sleep mode, tsaka yung regular Bluetooth mode lang. So, yung sleep mode, you can actually put songs kasi dito at tsaka yung mga ambient sounds. So, gusto mo yun lang yung pakinggan. And, ang mangyayari is, mas makakasave ka ng more battery. But, I think I will just use it the usual way and I will use yung mga sleep help music sa mga Spotify or sa YouTube Music, parang ganon. So, also, akala ko kanina walang touch control. Meron pala siya, guys. So, it's either 2 taps or 3 taps. Tignan nyo yung ganyan lang siya. So, I will tap, yon, play na siya. So, naka-program lang siya ng 2 taps or 3 taps to avoid any accidental pressing habang natutulog na kayo. So, ayun. Tapos, meron din siyang reminder and alarms, may timers, and may sleep report. So, I'm excited to actually, syempre, may mga metrics ng sleep. Tingnan natin yung mga, I just hope na makatulong ito sa akin kasi sobrang hirap. Tapos pag nagising ako, mahirap na ulit makatulog ulit. So hopefully, this will block out most of the sounds while I'm sleeping kahit na umaabot na ng umaga and maingay dun sa bahay namin. Kasi street kasi yun, minsan it gets busy, nakakarinig ka ng mga sasakyan and or yung kampana ng church naririnig sa house namin. So nakakagising yun for me. So ayun guys, this is just unboxing of the Soundcore Sleep 820 Bluetooth. And siguro maglalagay na lang ako ng comments or updates kung it really works for me. But I think it will. Kasi nga, ang pinaka-importante namang aspect sa akin is, yun nga, it's comfortable na itulog kahit na side sleeper ako. So again, this is Doc Neo saying be informed, stay inspired, and thank you mga katekis. Bye-bye. See you next time. Oh, last na nga pala pahabol. Gusto ko lang mag-comment na I was expecting hindi maganda masyado ang audio quality niya because of the size at saka for sleep purpose lang pala. Pero I'm surprised na halos katunog niya yung AirPods. So, good thing din. Pwede mo rin gamitin to sa gym. Kaya lang, ang hassle, pag may kumuusap sa'yo, ang hirap kunin siya at tanggalin. Kasi unlike yung AirPods na pwede mong i-on off lang yung noise cancellation or pwede mo siyang agad tanggalin. So, ayun guys. Bye-bye!